Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Timex Helix MetalFit smartwatch. You can see from the box there's an image of the smartwatch. This is what the smartwatch is going to look like. We have a lot of specifications noted over here, like this comes with fitness buddies features, multiple watch face designs, sleep talking, SpO2 measurement, multiple activity modes, sedentary alerts, heart rate monitoring, step, calories and distance measuring, call, SMS and social alerts, notifications, etc. as well. I'm going to open this box and now show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. We have a user manual and instruction manual. Basically it comes with warranty covers as well. So anything that you need to know, how to get started, how to set up this particular device, it's all noted over here. One thing to note is that download the app and connect with your phone. You have to download the Helix Smart app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone to pair this particular device. This is the charging dock that comes with. It's a magnetic charging dock. There you can see it's connecting to the USB-A port over here. So these are the points that connect to these two metallic plates at the back of the smartwatch, like so, in order for this particular smartwatch to charge. Continuing from here, just one thing to note is that this particular smartwatch comes with 10 days of standby battery life and 2 hours of charging time. Now let's take a closer look. So this is what it looks like. It comes with this metallic frame. This looks like it's plastic, but it's not. It's actually is made out of metal. It has these silicone straps with them. They are very flexible and super durable. They're not going to break anytime soon. At the back, you have your heart rate monitor and also your SpO2 monitors as well. It's also written over here IP67 waterproof, so which means this particular device is waterproof to a certain degree, waterproof and water resistant. I will show you the display. So for that, I will have to connect this phone to the charging dock. What I'm going to do is I'll connect this charging dock, the USB-A connector, to my laptop over here. And the other end I'll connect to the metallic plates over here like so. And there you go. And there we have display over here. It says Helix Timex. And it's currently being charged. So this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Timex Helix MetalFit smartwatch. Thank you for watching.